Hi, today we have Ford Fiesta. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located inside the vehicle on the left side. So we have to remove this side panel here, and then we have to remove the gas pedal. The gas pedal has 3 bolts with 10mm wrench. One is here and the 2 are at the top. And then we can open this plastic here so we can change the filter. Now we can move the gas pedal on this side. We don't have to disconnect it, we just have to move it. So now we have 4 bolts with Torx 20. To remove it, there are 2 at the bottom and 2 are on the top, and then we can remove the cap. Now that we remove the cap, we can see the filter inside, and we just have to pull it this way. And we can see it's dirty, and that's why we are going to replace it with new one. Here we have the old one and the new one. I bet you can see the difference. And now we are going to install it. Now you can see the air filter has a flow. I'm going to show you how to put it inside the vehicle. The air flow needs to be installed like this, because the fan is coming, the air from the fan is coming from that side of the vehicle through the filter, and it goes through the radiators. So now we are going to put it inside. We have put the filter in. We have returned the plastic cap. Now we can return the gas pedal into its position, and we can tighten the nuts. There were 3 nuts with 10mm wrench. We have returned the gas pedal, and now we can return the plastic cover. We have returned the side panel, plastic cover. So now we can check. Now the fan has more power, it blows more. Now the windshield is not going to it's going to defrost immediately. And if you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.